Welcome to ExpoStarter review video. In this ExpoStarter review video, we're talking about absolutely everything that you need to know about ExpoStarter. That is, it is a platform that you need to try out, it's a platform that you need to check out, it's a platform that will be of benefit to you, or just another platform out there that you need to run away from and not waste your time and money on. We're looking at all of this in this ExpoStarter review video. We're also looking at what ExpoStarter is all about. That is, what are the features, what are the benefits of ExpoStarter? What do you stand to gain using ExpoStarter? And as well, we'll be looking at the users of ExpoStarter, that is, who can actually make use of ExpoStarter. We'll be looking at all of this in this ExpoStarter review video. We're also looking at the pros and the cons, that is the good and the bad side of ExpoStarter. For any product out there that is doing amazing, that is doing well, if you look at it very carefully, you find out that it's also got its own bad side. So looking at the interesting part and as well as the bad side of ExpoStarter, we're also looking at the pricing plans, that is the different pricing plans that ExpoStarter has got in store for you, as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what it can actually handle, which is why it is very important for you to stick to the end of this ExpoStarter review video. So like, let us start the pricing plan that ExpoStarter has got in store for you. We're also looking at what others are saying about ExpoStarter. That is the present and existing users of ExpoStarter, what they are saying about it, which means you do not necessarily have to listen to all I have to say about ExpoStarter, but you get to see what other users of ExpoStarter are saying about it. We're also looking at my final recommendation as to what I personally feel about ExpoStarter. It is a platform that I need to try out, it's a platform that I need to check out, it's a platform that will be of benefit to you, or just another time wasting and money wasting platform out there that you need to run away from, which is why it is very important for you to stick to the end of this ExpoStarter review video. So I got to show the important tips I'm about to drop about ExpoStarter. Now to ExpoStarter review in full. This is the ExpoStarter homepage. This is ExpoStarter homepage. Now, what does ExpoStarter actually do? ExpoStarter is actually a comprehensive app development frameworks platform that actually empowers you to create high quality applications with ease. So if you're a developer looking to actually enhance your application development experience, you can actually make use of ExpoStarter to help to achieve these. Now, let's look at the pros of ExpoStarter. Number one, it provides you with ready-made Expo templates. That is a mix of ExpoStarter. ExpoStarter actually provides you with ready-made Expo templates that which actually includes complete production-ready Expo project that already contain fully functional login and sign-up flows, a built-in payment system for in-app purchases, push notification handling, and a library of common UI components such as your buttons, your tables, your modals, and many more, so that you can clone the repo, run it on your device, and start adding your own screens and business logic without having to write any of the boilerplate or configure third-party services from scratch. Number two, it also provides you with AI-enhanced development tools. That is a mix of ExpoStarter. ExpoStarter comes with pre-configured model code prompts, which it actually comes with a pre-configured model code prompt server that exposes a simple API your IDE can call. When you feed your code base into generative AI assistant like Cloud or GPT, the AI receives contextual prompts that describe the Expo file structure, the libraries you are using, and the specific features you are working on, which results in a more accurate code suggestions, fewer token writes, and as well as consequently lower API cost and faster iteration. Number three, it also provides you with an unlimited access to a private GitHub organization. That is, after you purchase, you actually gain a permanent, unlimited access to a private GitHub organization that hosts a growing collection of full stack example projects, starter kits, and advanced code snippets that are not published publicly. Each repository includes detailed README files, step-by-step walkthroughs, and a working demo app, allowing you to study the real-world implementation, copy working modules into your own project, and stay up to date with the latest best practices. Number four, to significantly save you time, money, and stress. That is the time, the money, and the stress that is involved in you trying to actually employ this as a professional. To help to see enhance your app development experience. It actually saves you that time, saves you that money, and as well as the stress. Number five, it also provides you with a ready-to-use development environment. That is, they make use of that is when you make use of ExpoStarter. ExpoStarter provides you with a starter kit that actually comes with a ready-to-use development environment that includes MCP servers for AI prompting, automated CI and CD pipelines that run linting, unit tests, and build checks on every push, and end-to-end testing framework that is your Detox or Cypress already wired up so that you can focus on writing features instead of spending days setting up build scripts, test runners, or continuous integration infrastructure. Number six, they've got a great customer support. Now, for any product that you're newly introduced to, it's likelihood that you might encounter some difficulties while trying to use it for the first time. That's where the customer support comes in. They're always available to you whenever you contact them to help to resolve whatever issues, whatever difficulties that might be having, so they can have a smooth and great sale. Number seven, it also provides you with private Discord server. As is when you make use of ExpoStarter. ExpoStarter provides you access to a private Discord server where you can ask detailed technical questions, share progress, receive early previews of upcoming features, and get direct, rapid responses from the creator and a core group of experienced developers, which creates a supportive learning environment and helps you solve problems much faster than typical public forums. Now to the cons of ExpoStarter. As I thought making this ExpoStarter review video, I've not really found any bad side as to ExpoStarter. But for any product out there that's doing amazing, that's doing well, there is always room for improvement. So I think ExpoStarter can actually be better. They can actually improve on their services. Probably they can actually cover more features as opposed to number of features that they cover at the time of making this ExpoStarter review video. Now to the pricing plans of ExpoStarter. The best minimum plan for you to get started with ExpoStarter is €100 per month. The best minimum plan for you to get started with ExpoStarter is €100 per month. The one-star pricing plan as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what it can actually handle, and versus the pricing plans that are most stable for your own usage. There's a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing for the various packages and the offers, and as well as the discounts that they come with. Once different pricing plan that ExpoStarter has got in store for you, as to the different features, as to the different capabilities, as to what they can actually handle, and for the pricing plans that are most suitable for your own usage. There's a link in this video description that you can actually click on to see the full pricing for the various packages and the offers, and as well as the discounts that they come with. Like I said before, the best minimum plan for you to get started with ExpoStarter is 100 euro per month. Now, to users of ExpoStarter, this is Artyom. He said, looks like a practical tool for speeding up UI development, especially when we're working with AI-driven apps. It's helpful to have ready-to-use components instead of building everything from scratch. All right. This is Stepan. He said this definitely simplifies the workflow for front-end developers. Having a centralized space for high-quality UI components saves a lot of time compared to searching for scattered solutions. All right. Now to my final recommendation as to what I personally feel about ExpoStarter. I'll say it's got a good platform that is reasonably easy to use, very efficient for empowering developers to create high quality applications with ease, leveraging advanced technology, community expertise, and a user centric approach to streamline development workflows, drive innovation, and deliver exceptional user experiences to save you time and stress and also get you the best out of your efforts by exponentially enhancing your application development experience as such, making you be at the top of the game. It also got a great customer support. Like I said before, it's got a great customer support. They're always available to you whenever you contact them. And as to help to resolve whatever issues, whatever difficulties that you might be having, so they can have a smooth and great sale. I'll say again, they are worth it because they serve the primary function of a comprehensive app development frameworks platform out there. Now, for most I've said about ExpoStarter, and you feel ExpoStarter is something like to try out, something like to check out, something you want to enhance your application development experience, there's a special link in this video description that you can actually click on right now to get started at a very unusual discounted price that you won't find elsewhere. You want to add ExpoStarter, once what ExpoStarter can actually do for you, there's a special link in this video description that you can actually click on right now to get started at a very unusual discounted price that you won't find elsewhere. Thank you for watching my video review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you've got any questions, any inquiries about ExpoStarter, don't forget to make use of the comment section. And I'll try as much as possible to attend to each and every question asked. Thank you for watching my video review once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.